I'm hoping that you all are doing fine and your studies are going well. So guys, in this video I will discuss about how to write a perfect mail if we are a CMA trainee or after qualification we are entering into the corporate world. So how to write a perfect mail. In this short video I will discuss about how to write a perfect mail. So I have noted down all the steps which I am currently following during in my organization. As you know that I am currently working in a corporate in a MNC. Okay, so what steps I follow during my while I writing mail to the onshore team or during to the you can say that to the other team member. So in this short video I'll discuss about all the steps I have noted down and I will discuss one by one. So we segregated a perfect mail into 5 steps. First one is salutation, second one is opening sentence, third one is body of the mail, and fourth one is closing sentence, and fifth one is signature. So in salutation, like whenever we are writing a mail to the onshore team or to the you can say that the within the organization. So like in the domestic organization we generally not use any name, like we generally call hi sir, yeah hi ma'am, but in corporate world or in MNC we generally call by name, like hi Deepak, hi Monica, hi Manisha, hi Manish. So we call by name. Okay, so generally the salutation, first one is salutation, then second one is opening sentence, third one is you can say that body of the mail, then fourth one closing sentence, fifth one is signature. So what kind of word we can use while mailing to the other team member? Okay, what will salutation? Hi sir, hi ma'am, if you are in domestic organization, or if you are in a corporate world or MNC, so hi Deepak, hi Monica, good morning, a very good morning, with the name of dear Deepak, dear Monica. So these kind of salutation you can use while writing a mail. Okay, so this will call a salutation. We have segregated 5 parts. Salutation, this will be a salutation. Hi sir, hi Monica, hi Deepika, dear Deepak. Then it will be called that second segregated parts is opening sentences. So you can say that first you have said that in salutation, hi sir, yeah dear Deepak. Then opening sentences will be like hope you are fine, yeah hope you are doing well, I hope you have had a great day so far, I trust you are doing fine. So these kind of opening sentences you can start your mail. Now body of the mail, so this will be a main content. Okay, what you want to convey in your mail. Okay, so you have to write in the body of the mail. This is called body of the mail. If you need any supporting backups, and then you can say that could you please provide me the supporting backup for the below mentioned transaction. So these kind of body of the mail you can mention. Okay, if you have to convey, so you need to write such kind of other word like I am reaching out about as discussed over the call, as discussed during the meeting. So these kind of you can start the word for writing a body of the mail. So now closing sentences, so these kind of word you can use to close your mail. Body of the mail, you have mentioned all the content, what you required, yeah, what message you want to convey to the other party to whom you are mailing. And in the closing sentences you can write these kind of word. I look forward to hearing from you soon, looking forward to prompt response, I would appreciate your prompt attention to this matter. So these kind of you can say that words currently I am using while mailing to the other team member. Okay, apart from this, in signature normally best thanks and regard, best wishes, yours sincerely, best, only cheers, have a pleasant day ahead. So these kind of closing sentences you can use. So as you I'm hoping that you like the video. So we have segregated a perfect mail into 5 parts: salutation, opening sentences, body of the mail, closing sentences, and then one is signature. So at present in my organization I am using all these 5 steps to write a perfect mail to the within the organization, all while writing to the corporate world, or you can say that the onshore team. So hope you like the video. Still you have any doubt, you can ask me. And apart from this, if you like this kind of video, you can also suggest me on which topic you want from me, so that I can make a video, and accordingly I will make a video. Still you have any doubt or need any guidance or need any help, you can ask me. From my side, that's all about this video. Bye guys.